Today in this video, we're not talking about expensive supplements for legs that weaken with age. We're talking about how people in Okinawa support their bodies with simple, daily habits from nature. Specifically, a traditional Okinawan soup, drunk in the mornings. Many people notice that their legs aren't as strong as they used to be as they age. Getting up becomes difficult and they feel heavy when walking. In today's video, I'm not talking about expensive supplements or quick fixes. I'm talking about how people in Okinawa support their bodies through simple, daily practices that come from nature. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Dear friends, where are you watching from? Are you sipping your afternoon tea or watching with your morning coffee? I read your comments, and they truly make me happy. Please write to me. Let's get started. Many people notice their leg strength diminishing after the age of 50, but this isn't something that happens suddenly one morning. It starts quietly. That moment when you pause while getting up from a low chair, when you unconsciously place your hands on your thighs to stand up, when you step off the curb, you take a little breath. It's nothing, you say. I'm just tired. But in fact, the body is slowly transitioning into another phase. This process is called sarcopenia. It is the decrease in muscle mass and muscle strength with age. It usually begins in your 40s, becoming more noticeable after 50, and it is felt most in the legs, because the legs are the body's largest muscle group, and in daily life, they carry the most load. By the time we reach 70, we may have lost about 30% of our muscle mass. We feel this muscle loss most in our legs, because the legs are the body's largest muscle group. Being able to walk comfortably, bend and stand up, ride a bike, and reduce the risk of falling. All of these depend on leg muscle strength. This strength is especially important in older age because it allows you to live freely on your own without depending on others. In Okinawa, one of the places with the highest number of long-lived people in the world, older people continue to do their daily tasks without needing support. They garden, fish, do their own shopping, and cook their own meals. These activities, which seem simple, are actually what make a person free. So what's the secret? Of course, there's no single reason. There are many factors, but we cannot overlook the Japanese cuisine that nourishes them from within. In Okinawa, especially in the evenings or when waking up in the morning, there is almost always a soup simmering on the stove. They consume collagen naturally on a regular basis. How important collagen is for muscle loss is now widely discussed, but in Okinawa, this is not new information. This is a fact that the traditional Japanese cuisine, which has been around for centuries, has quietly known all along. Because of your weakening legs, getting up becomes difficult. You start going out less. You avoid walking long distances. Stairs seem daunting. Crowds become exhausting. And without realizing it, you withdraw a little from life. The less you move, the weaker your legs become. This creates a silent but powerful cycle. Many people fall into this cycle without even realizing it. Now compare this to the Okinawans who are still riding bikes at 80. What's the difference? Yes, genetics matter. But genes alone don't explain legs that stay strong for generations. The real difference is their purposeful approach to nutrition. Every day, before they even take their first step, they support their legs, joints, and tissues, not with cereal or toast, but with a carefully prepared, warm, mineral-rich bowl of soup. Keeping your legs moving is not just a tradition in Okinawa. It is a life strategy shaped by decades of observation and quiet endurance. And the beautiful thing is, you don't have to live in Okinawa to experience it. In a moment, we'll discuss what's in this soup and how each ingredient supports the power, step by step. In Okinawa, strength is not sought in the gym. It is found in a daily ritual. Every morning, before the sun has risen high, a pot is placed on the stove. There is no rush. It does not go in the microwave. The soup simmered patiently and slowly at its own pace. In Okinawa, soup is not just a meal. It is often the first warm thing the body receives in the morning. With the first light of day, in a small Okinawan town, an elderly Japanese woman wakes up. Her name is Sachiko. A gentle coolness enters through the window. The sound of birds can be heard. The day brightens without haste. In the quiet streets, the gentle bubbling of stoves begins. The scent of soup slowly mingles with the clean Okinawan air. Sachiko is already at the stove before the sun is fully risen. She does not rush. As she does every morning, she quietly leaves her soup to simmer. For her, it is not a recipe, but a morning ritual. The soup is not heavy. It is not excessive. It gently awakens the body. In Okinawa, strength begins in these small, quiet mornings. The most beautiful way to say good morning to a newly awakened, tired body is to start the day with warm soup. In the evenings, it is offering that same warmth, with the same simplicity, the same compassion, to a body ready to sleep. In Okinawa, soup is not just a meal. It is often the first warm thing the body receives in the morning. It is not heavy. It is not excessive. It gently awakens the body. In Okinawa, this soup is sometimes drunk in the evening, not in the morning. For legs tired from the day, slowing steps, a body that wants to rest. When evening comes, the lights soften. The streets quiet down. A gentle simmer begins again. On the stove, this soup is not drunk to work miracles throughout the night. It is drunk to calm the body, to prepare it for the next day. It is not heavy. It does not strain. As the body drifts off to sleep, it offers warm support. People in Okinawa know this. However the night ends, the morning begins just as gently. This is a light soup, commonly consumed in Okinawa, especially suitable for the evening. It is easy to digest. It does not tire the body. It provides a calm transition into the night. People drink soups like this to gently support their legs, joints, and daily energy after a long day. This soup is especially popular in Okinawa in the evenings, because nighttime is when the body begins to repair itself. Legs, joints, and muscles that have been tired throughout the day prepare to rest. When made with ingredients containing bone broth or connective tissue, this soup naturally contains collagen and gelatin. Collagen provides structural support to the body for muscles, joints, and connective tissues. When consumed in the evening, the body uses these building blocks calmly as it prepares for sleep. If miso is added to the soup, it also provides a naturally fermented ingredient. Miso is not boiled, it is added last. This preserves the beneficial bacteria that support digestion. A soup that doesn't strain digestion in the evening helps the intestines and body work more comfortably throughout the night. In Okinawa, people know this. How the body rests at night determines how light you wake up in the morning. This soup is not drunk to create miracles while sleeping. It is drunk to support the body and prepare it for the next day. Of course, you can also make this soup at home. Let's get started. Ingredients for Okinawa soup. 4 cups water, 1 piece. Kombu or miso if using, add at the end. 1 small daikon radish, thinly sliced. 1 carrot. 1 small sweet potato. 1 to 2 slices thinly sliced meat or half a block of tofu. 1 slice fresh ginger. 2 dried shiitake mushrooms, optional, pre-soaked. A pinch of sea salt or low-sodium soy sauce. Okinawan morning soup, simple, functional recipe. This soup is an Okinawan soup for 2, light, warming, and made for daily support. First, add 4 cups of water to the pot. Add a piece of kombu. If using miso, add it last. Then add thinly sliced daikon radish, carrot, a slice of fresh ginger, and pre-soaked dried shiitake mushrooms if using. We gently simmer these over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we add diced sweet potato and a small amount of meat or tofu as a protein source. We cook for about 10 more minutes until everything is tender. Turn off the heat. If using miso, add it at this stage and stir. Do not boil. Finally, lightly season with a pinch of sea salt or low-sodium soy sauce. And our soup is ready to serve warm or hot. You can enjoy this soup at any meal of the day, but especially before bedtime. It is important to have a soup that does not strain the stomach and digestive system and calms the body. A light soup, consumed in the evening, prepares the body for sleep. Throughout the night, it gently supports the bones and muscles. This is not a miracle, but when consumed regularly, it is a warm support that helps the body maintain its own balance. When consumed regularly, you may feel a change in your legs and in yourself in general over time. Strong legs are not built by doing big things at once. They develop through small but regular habits. In Okinawa, a bowl of warm soup is one of those habits. What kinds of soups do you cook in your kitchen? Write your comments. Dear friends, see you in the next health content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications. If this content inspired you, like it and share it with your loved ones so they can learn too. See you in the next content. Bye for now.